Quick video here that a user commented they want to see a pre-chilled Yeti versus a pre-chilled Packit with an ice pack test after 4 hours. So we'll quickly perform that test. I'm going to go ahead and put this ice pack in here with this thermometer, and that is outdoor thermometer 1 here. And then the Packit, I'm going to expand this. Going to put this ice pack in here along with that sandwich bag with thermometer 3 over here. They're both sitting about 48 degrees, and we'll check on them about every hour and see how they're doing, and then we'll see who the winner is after 4 hours. Checking in at the 1 hour mark, you could see the Yeti's at 49 degrees and the Packit's at 44 degrees. Checking in at the 2 hour mark, you can see the Yeti's at 50 degrees and the Packit's at 43.2 degrees. Checking in at the 3 hour mark, the Yeti's at 50.5 degrees, the Packit's at 47.7 degrees. Both the Yeti and Packit that were pre-chilled with a giant ice pack are at 51 degrees after 4 hours. You can see inside here, they have the giant ice pack. I'm a little disappointed with the Packit because I put the giant ice pack in here. It was pre-chilled and it has a gel pack in the lid and at the base. And after 4 hours, it's at 51 degrees. Now, it did maintain temperature for the first hour in the low 40s, but if you have deli meat or medication, you want to keep that temperature in the safe zone at 40 degrees or less. So I hope you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.